Amomum villosum, known in traditional Chinese medicine as Sha Ren, is an aromatic seed from a ginger-like plant used to support digestion and regulate the flow of qi in the middle burner. It is traditionally valued for warming the spleen and stomach, especially in cases of cold damp stagnation. Modern studies support its anti-inflammatory, carminative, and antimicrobial properties, aligning with its traditional use for digestive complaints, appetite loss, and abdominal discomfort.
Amomum contains volatile oils, aid digestion and reduce gut inflammation. Flavonoids and tannins provide antioxidant and gastrointestinal protective properties. Terpenoids and organic acids support liver function and combat pathogenic bacteria.
Here are 5 key health benefits of Amomum. 1. Digestive aid and bloating relief. Amomum is a classic remedy for indigestion, especially when associated with cold, bloating, or a heavy sensation after eating. It stimulates gastric secretions and smooths digestive flow.
2. Nausea, vomiting, and appetite regulation. Used in teas and herbal decoctions, Amomum helps stop nausea and vomiting, particularly during pregnancy or post-illness. It is also effective in restoring appetite.
3. Dampness and qi stagnation resolution. In TCM, Amomum is used to resolve internal dampness, which manifests as sluggish digestion, loose stools, and abdominal fullness. It invigorates spleen qi and dries damp accumulation.
4. Antimicrobial and gastroprotective activity. Modern studies show that Amomum exhibits antimicrobial activity against common gut pathogens, while also protecting the gastric lining from inflammation and oxidative stress.
5. Pregnancy support for morning sickness. Mild and warming, Amomum is often used in formulas to relieve early pregnancy nausea while supporting digestive strength and fetal safety.
In traditional medicine, Amomum is used to harmonize the stomach and transform dampness, move qi and relieve food stagnation, calm the fetus and prevent miscarriage in high-risk pregnancies, alleviate bloating, gas, and abdominal cramping.
Recommended usage. Decoction. 3 to 6 grams of crushed seeds added near the end of boiling. Powder or capsules. 300 to 500 milligrams per serving, often combined with other digestive herbs. Combination formulas. Often paired with atractylodes, poria, and ginger for spleen qi support.
Safety and side effects. Pregnancy. Safe in moderate amounts under professional supervision. Side effects. Rare. May include dry mouth or mild nausea if overdosed. TCM cautions. Not for use in yin-deficient heat or constipation with dryness.
Don't forget to subscribe for more daily wellness tips.